Hi, my name is Dana, and I'm currently pursuing my master's degree in professional counseling at William Paterson University. When I was researching graduate programs in professional counseling, what attracted me to William Paterson was their strong academic reputation, and they're also a CACREP-accredited university, which, if you're pursuing a field in professional counseling, is so important. It really prepares you not only academically, but professionally. It makes you more appealing to potential future employers just to have that CACREP-accredited university behind you. When it comes to balancing school, work, and just your life, the flexibility of William Paterson really makes it manageable to kind of do it all. They do offer online, asynchronous options. There's multiple course selections, so it really makes it easy to find different options that fit your schedule and make it more manageable. The faculty at William Paterson are incredibly supportive, and they really are along with you for the ride for support and guidance. You feel like they're really invested in your growth and development as a professional counselor, which I think is really important. Do a lot of professional development workshops for new students too, coming into the program to teach them valuable skills to use along the way in their own journeys. We host social events, so it's really a great way for students to get involved with each other, to network, to build relationships as you get through the program. William Paterson has a really good academic reputation, so if you put in the work too to kind of build your own individual reputation, the two will really open doors for you and benefit you in the long run. Have that confidence in your skills and ability that you get from William Paterson has been so meaningful.